It's part 2 of the locust. Cody eating his fourth locust. I don't think anybody would kiss you after this.
Let me tear his head off. Got a little guts on me.
Dude. What made you start eating this?
What if I am in the wild one day? Get lost. You're in the woods right now. Get lost.
But there's a house out there.
And
Dude, don't touch the camera!
it's to my tongue. $5. I gotta see my phone first, you know what I'm saying. $5 headlong. You gonna eat it all night long. I'm feeling so strong. And baby, you got the bones to eat the head and the bone.
Definitely.
Okay, here goes.
Dude! Don't throw up, for real. You spit it out! Oh, it's still in! Ah! Bye!